Social media is really important for physicians, doctors of any sort, but especially ophthalmology, because we're treating these patients with keratoconus who are at a younger age, who are active and on social media, and they're looking for information. And the best way to reach these patients is through social media, both targeting these patients, but also targeting their parents who are on social media. And so you're looking at the demographics of this younger age group in their teens and 20s and 30s, and also their parents, 30 years older than they are. So a couple ways that you measure success with your social media presence is, one, you can see how active participation is with your social media postings, whether it's clicks or interactions or people watching the videos that you're posting. You can also check the traffic on your website and see how often patients are visiting the website, clicking through the keratoconus links, reading the information on your website, and ultimately looking at how many patients are coming into your practice who found you online, and now that you're able to treat and take care of these patients with keratoconus. So a couple tips for posting on social media is, one, you need to know your demographics. Again, you're looking at younger patients and their parents. Understanding what social media platforms these patients are on. Facebook is a great one. It's got the broadest range of patients. You can provide a variety of different media types on Facebook, whether it be text, pictures, but videos and links to articles are the best. Instagram is extremely popular with this age group, and so posting on Instagram and getting people interested in keratoconus and keratoconus awareness is a great thing. Using the hashtags and understanding how people search for different topics on social media, again, using the hashtags to broaden your base. And then boosting posts. So if you've got something that you think is particularly interesting or you want to reach a broad range of patients, you can boost that post and it'll reach a much broader range of patients than it would if you just regularly posted it, where it could get lost in someone's feed. But by boosting it, you get access to a greater percentage of the population, and so boosting a post is going to give you the best access. And the final tip I would give is have somebody at your practice own the process of putting things on social media and having a schedule, because if you put out a schedule and you follow that schedule, you're going to stick to it and you're going to be much more successful with improving your social media presence. So my take-home message from this talk is that patients are going to social media to look for doctors, not to see if they're on there, but to see if they're active, and also look at the reviews and what people are saying about those doctors. So if you're not on social media, you need to get on social media. You need to get on social media because that's where patients are looking for information, and it's a great tool for you to reach these patients, specifically with keratoconus, because they're so active on social media.